Hey guys, so I have this Olympus Camedia C770 and it has a lot of lens fungus from storage. So, I mean, after all, it is a 20-year-old camera. So for this video, I'm gonna be attempting to clean the lens fungus and show you how to open the lens in the first place. I tried with the lens spanner, didn't work, so I took what do you call it, SIM injector tool, and pried open the plastic part. Turns out I never needed a lens spanner, so I pried open the plastic part, and there are 3 Phillips screws. You unscrew them one by one. Here I'm using a Xiaomi electric screwdriver.
Yeah.
After you take off the 3 screws, the glass is gonna come off. I used a tack-it to take off the lens, and you're gonna see there are these golden 3 thingies. You just put them back on. One of them popped out, and then the lens comes out. You can see the fungus. The front glass comes off if you just, with a little bit of persuasion, and you clean both the glass with all the 4 sides with hydrogen peroxide solution, and just make sure there's no dust in it. After you're done cleaning, don't forget to put this back on, because I did before. So yeah, you also need to clean the camera lens part, because for mine there was some fungus on that as well. This is the cleaned one. I just washed it with soap and water because I don't have hydrogen peroxide. You put it back on. You put back the thingy, the plastic part, black part, and then the glass goes on top of that. You put it back on. You make sure it's on the right orientation. You screw it down again, and what was I doing for so long? Damn, I should have cut that part. Yeah, then you just screw it back on, and you put the black plastic ring thingy that you pried open before, and you're good to go. That was very easy. I thought there would be a lot more thingy to do, but yeah, no, it was very simple. I'm surprised no one did this before, or at least I couldn't find any video on YouTube. But yeah, that's how you open the C770. Thanks for watching, I guess. Good night. দেখা হবে জান্নাতে।